In this video, we're going to show you how to perform an oil life reset on your Nissan Murano. All right, now let's go ahead and set the oil life reset on a vehicle. We're going to press our start-stop button 2 times. We're not going to start the vehicle though. We're going to bring up the gauges here. And we're going to use the controls on the dash. And what we're going to do is we want to press the left-right arrow till the settings comes up and then press the OK. Then we should be able to use our OK button and select this down to our maintenance. Press OK. We have our oil and filter. We're going to press OK. So on our particular vehicle, the oil life mileage wasn't actually programmed. So by using the OK and the up-down scrolling, we can set our oil life. And using our synthetic oils, we're going to go 5,000 miles. Press OK. I'm going to come over here to the reset. Press OK. And it wants us to confirm it. So we're going to use the OK. Move that down to yes, and press the OK again. At that point there, you're all set. You can press that start-stop button one more time, and you've completed your oil life reset.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.